everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. Today we're going to learn how to crochet this flower bookmark. For this tutorial I'm using crochet hook 2.5 millimeters. You can use any crochet yarn, but for this project I'm using crochet 4-ply cotton yarn and I've used 3 colors. So let's get started. We begin with the slip knot. Now once you have your slip knot, you need to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Once you complete working your chain 6, you need to work a slip stitch in the first chain right here. Now we're going to start our first row. For that, you chain 2. This will be counted as the first double crochet of this row. Now you chain 2 again. In this circle, you need to work 1 double crochet. Chain 2, 1 double crochet in the circle. Chain 2 again, 1 double crochet in the circle. Chain 2, 1 double crochet in the circle. Chain 2 again and 1 double crochet in the circle. So counting the first chain 2, you need to have a total of 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now you need to chain 1 and cut your yarn. Now we are changing the color for the next row. We are going to join the color right here in the chain space. So you join your yarn and you chain 3. And now we are going to work 2 treble crochets together. So you yarn over twice, insert your hook into the same chain space, pull up a loop. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over 2 loops, yarn over 2 loops. Do not complete the stitch. Again, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the same chain space, pull up a loop. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over 2 loops, yarn over 2 loops. Now you're left with 3 loops. You need to yarn over, pull through all 3. And now you chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After you chain 5, we're going to skip the double crochet, and in the next chain space we're going to work 3 treble crochets together. Now to do that, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the chain space, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Repeat that again. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over 2 loops, yarn over 2 loops. Repeat that again. Yarn over 2 loops and yarn over 2 loops. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all the loops. Now you chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now you need to continue working these petals in all the chain spaces here, 1, 2 and 3, with chain 5 in between. After you complete your row, you need to chain 1 and cut your yarn. We're going to change the color for the next row. Now we're going to join the next yarn right here on top of the first petal. So go into that petal. Gonna pull up the yarn and you work one single crochet right into that stitch. And now we're going to work in the chain space. Right in the chain space, you work one double crochet and you need to work 4 triple crochets. Now for that, you yarn over twice, insert your hook into the chain space, pull up a loop. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Again, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the chain space, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. We completed 2. We are working 2 more. It's 1 and 2. After you complete working 4 treble crochets, in the same space you work 1 double crochet, and on top of the next petal you work a single crochet. Now we're going to repeat this petal again in this chain space. You start with 1 double crochet, 4 treble crochets, 1, 2, 3 and 4. After you complete your treble crochets, you work 1 double crochet in the same space, and now you work a single crochet right on top of the next petal. You need to continue working this pattern till you reach the end of this row. After you complete the last petal and the single crochet, you chain 1 and cut your yarn. Now we're going to work the chain and the leaf. For that, you need to attach your yarn right here in this chain space. And you can work the chain however long you want it to be. I'm going to work a chain of 50. After you complete your chain 50, in the second chain from your hook, now you do not count the one that's on your hook. This is 1 and 2. In the second chain from your hook, you work 1 half double crochet. For that, you yarn over once, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. Now in the next chain, you work 1 double crochet. In the next chain, you work a triple crochet. In the next chain, a triple crochet again. In the next chain, 1 double crochet. In the next chain, a half double crochet. In the next chain, you work a slip stitch. Now we're going to start working the stitches on the opposite side of these stitches. Right here, we're going to go back on this side. So you turn your leaf. We're going to work in this stitch where you have your half double crochet on this side. You work a half double crochet. In the next stitch, you work 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, a triple crochet. In the next stitch, a triple crochet. In the next stitch, 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, that's the last stitch here, you work a half double crochet. And now you need to join your row by working a slip stitch into the first half double crochet. You need to find that stitch and work a slip stitch. Now you chain 1 and you can cut your yarn. We've completed making the flower bookmark. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.